My name is Marcus Kossmann. I'm 38 years old and I'm a senior designer at LEGO Technic. My educational background is industrial design. Before I start building a model, I go out and try to get inspiration.
For Marcus and the other LEGO Technic designers, the best place to get inspiration is the real world. When building the bulldozer, the designers went to a gravel pit and drove a real bulldozer to see and feel how a machine like that really works.
And then we start collecting a lot of pictures. We put on a big board, we call it a mood board.
The mood board is full of pictures of different machines. The designers now have to decide which machines they will turn into LEGO Technic models.
Then we will look what could be interesting for this year to do. For this year we found out that it would be very nice to do something with tracks. So therefore we decided to develop a new track system, which should be included in the main model for this year. And so we try to find every kind of different models we can get with tracks.
Having looked at different track-driven machines, the designers decide on a bulldozer.
When we start the building process, we start with the functions. We try to explore how we can create this function with Lego bricks. It's full with interesting functions, where you can drive with it, and you have the blade and the ripper and the motor which is running. So it's much more fun to kids will play with it. You can do something, you can push all your Lego bricks and clean up your room. After we have defined all these things, then it's time to get started, to get hands on the bricks. So then we're going to start building sketch models.
A sketch model is the very first version of a new LEGO model. The designers build sketch models to get an impression of the model's size and to try out different functions that can be built into the model.
Which are the key functions? If you have a bulldozer, for example, it's a blade which goes up and down.
Marcus and the designers have narrowed down the number of sketch models. They are down to 2 models, one with motor and one without motor. And now they must choose which one they want to continue working on. But first, the 2 models have to be tested. For that purpose, the designers have asked a group of kids to come and play with the models and pick out their favorite. And the winner is Model B.
The result of the kids' test was that they wanted to have the model with the power function, with the motors. Even though the other model was bigger with pneumatics, they loved it that they can remotely control it with the new power function system. We Lego designer are big kids, so we try to test our models in our own way. In the winter we got outside and tried to push as much snow as we can with the bulldozer, or then we go inside and try to see how much it can actually pull. So we have a lot of fun building these models. When we finalize the model, we build the model over and over and over again. It has to be perfect. First, when every function is spot on, we're done.
When a LEGO model is finished, there's still a lot of work to be done. The bricks have to be produced, building instructions have to be made, and everything has to be put into boxes. So it's no surprise that Marcus and the other LEGO Technic designers are very proud to see the first box with their new bulldozer model come off the production line. Now it's ready to be sent out to the customers.
And so the model is done. And now it's your turn to have fun with it. Happy building!